I apologise for the quality recording, quality recording, but I thought I'd do a quick little update. I've just been doing on my Minecraft Womanby St space in Cardiff. I've done some environmental buildings. Still haven't finished fuel, but it's getting there. So if you go down here, still a lot of work to do. Revs is here. Revs Mama. This is the Womanby St car park. That is meant to be the flats on Womanby on Westgate Street. Kind of like a little build. I'll go more in depth into all these buildings when I stream on Twitch and stuff. Club, so that's the abandoned place next to Club. Club Bach. So this is the exterior. If anybody has tips on the interior of Club Bach, I would love some tips. We'll go into fuel quickly. Like I said, I apologise for the quality recording. So this is mostly done. Upstairs I still haven't finished. The stage, bar area, so doors. Still haven't got a lot of bits done. Also, if anybody's got any tips, just wondering about new tips, the bootlegger. So we've got bootlegger here. Full views, some flags I tried to make. Oh, I need to make Welsh flag for club. This is moon. Like I said, this is still a lot of work in progress. As you can see, there's a few plans here. So this is the moon down here. This is bootlegger that kind of wraps around. This is fuel. And yeah, so thank you for watching. I'm going to try and stream all my progress. My non-background progress, like the actual interiors, talk about like just Womanby St. So yeah, thank you for watching. Diolch am watchad, and yeah, this is really coming along. I'm really happy with it. So yeah, if anybody's got any tips interior, I'm gonna do Cardiff Flea Market or Cardiff Castle Emporium. Yeah, I believe it's called, and Dempsey's on the corner as well, because Dempsey's. So yeah, so this is Womanby St. Thank you for watching. Yeah. Diolch am watchad. Stay safe, guys.